Should you buy or sell United States Natural Gas Fund LP ETF? In this video, we'll delve deeper into United States Natural Gas Fund LP. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 27, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Starting from November 16, 2023, our system has identified United States Natural Gas Fund LP as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant decline of -8.95%. This means that on average, it has been losing -1.28% per day since it was classified as a strong sell candidate. The ETF has broken the wide and falling short-term trend down. Initially, there may be a stronger fall rate, but it is important to note that there could be false breaks and sell-offs along the way. However, it is realistic to expect a further decline, and any rebounds back to the breaking point at $6.57 should be seen as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, the new bottom line of the next trend could be around $5.51, but it is too early to state this with certainty. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -6.41% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 6.06% and 23.19%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -61.30% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -93.25% and -66.17%. This indicates a price range of $0.391 to $1.96 after 12 months. In this update for the United States Natural Gas Fund LP, we have some important information to share with you. The headline reads, United States Natural Gas Fund, LP ETF downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after Monday's trading session. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. The price of the United States Natural Gas Fund, LP ETF fell by 1.86% on Monday, November 27, 2023. It went from $5.91 to $5.80. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $5.68 and a high of $5.81, with a total fluctuation of 2.29%. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.37%. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased by 7 million on the last day, although the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $99.42 million worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 17 million shares being exchanged. Looking at the past year, the highest price the ETF reached was $22.60, while the lowest was $5.68. Currently, the price is 74.34% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $16.80. It is also 85.45% below the all-time high, which was reached on November 14, 2018, when the price hit $39.87. Analysts have recently evaluated the United States Natural Gas Fund LP ETF, providing a general rating of neutral. They have determined the PE ratio to be in a neutral range, and the price-to-book ratio also falls into the neutral category. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the ETF a rating of strong sell. Today, let's take a look at the United States Natural Gas Fund LP and analyze its signals. Unfortunately, there aren't many positive signals for this stock at the moment. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate a sell signal, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals confirms this bearish sentiment, as the long-term average is currently higher than the short-term average. If the stock experiences any upward corrections, it may face resistance at the levels of $6.01 and $6.87. However, if it manages to break above these levels, it could potentially issue buy signals. On Tuesday, October 31, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -22.67%. It is expected to continue declining until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It is recommended to closely monitor this ETF. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you may find useful. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands have indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 12 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss for United States Natural Gas Fund LP. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that given the right conditions, the ETF may experience significant underperformance in the next couple of days. We need to be cautious. Let's talk about the volatility of this ETF. It has the tendency to move a lot during the day, and when we look at the Bollinger Band, it indicates a large prediction interval. This makes the ETF a high-risk investment. In fact, in the last day, the ETF had a price range of $0.130, which is equivalent to a 2.29% fluctuation. Over the past week, the daily average volatility was 2.61%. Before we explore potential trading levels for United States Natural Gas Fund LP, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key measure of a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It is not uncommon for established companies to face downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Today, we'll be analyzing some day trading levels for United States Natural Gas Fund LP. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $6.65. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding shares, this could be a potential opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't substantial support from accumulated volume below the current price. This means that under certain circumstances, the stock could experience a significant drop. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider making trades accordingly. The average rating for United States Natural Gas Fund LP from multiple analysts is currently neutral. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involved Catherine D. Rooney, who both bought and sold 0 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the most recent insider trades, we have calculated a negative insider power with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last trade. Unfortunately, our evaluation for this ETF is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is United States Natural Gas Fund LP ETF a good buy? United States Natural Gas Fund LP currently shows several negative signals and is part of a wide and falling trend. As a result, we predict that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Additionally, based on some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our previous sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate. After examining the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 28, we anticipate United States Natural Gas Fund LP to open with a decrease of $0.0367 and start trading at $5.76. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.